Okay, question number 1 on the assessment asks us to construct an angle bisector. Okay, so first we want to think about what an angle bisector is. An angle bisector is going to be a line or a ray that bisects this angle, a line that divides the angle in half. So it's going to go right down through the middle of this angle. That's going to be the end result of this construction. To start the construction, first we're going to use our compass tool. The compass tool is this tool that looks like a circle right here. We're going to click on the tool, and then we want to first set the radius of the circle that we're going to draw. The radius that we want is this distance AD. So I clicked on the circle tool, then I clicked on the A and then the D, and it gave me a circle. And now if I move my mouse around, I can move that circle, and I'm going to center it on A. Okay, we're going to do this 2 more times. We're going to make 2 more circles. The next one is going to be centered at point D, and then the third circle is going to be centered at this point right here. And I'm going to go ahead and name that point. I'm going to click on my point tool and put a point right here. Okay, so back to the circle tool, we need to do 2 more circles. I'm going to click on the compass. I'm going to set my radius, so I click the compass, then I click A and then D. I can move that circle around and I'll go ahead and center it on D. I'm going to put it on top of D and then click my mouse. And then let's do it a third time. Click that circle tool, the compass tool, set the radius AD. We're always using AD for our radius. Move the circle, and this one we're going to move over to F. So I'm going to put my cursor on F and then click. Okay, now let's think back to what we were doing. We were creating an angle bisector, and this is our angle CAB. An angle bisector for CAB is going to divide that angle in half, and it's going to be a line that goes right through here. So it's going to go through A and then through this point of intersection of these 2 circles right here. So let's put a point there. I'm going to click on the point tool and put a point right there. And now we're basically at the end. Now we're going to connect the dots. So I'm going to use my segment tool, and I'm going to click on A, and then I can either click on G, or I can pull it all the way through and kind of click out here somewhere if you want to make a longer angle bisector. Okay, so this is task number 1, construct an angle bisector.